Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just be the most satisfying purchase, the best investment you can make. Everyone is talking about it lately cause it performs flawlessly. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal. Go ahead and check out the official product link available in the video description right now today without any delay. Product link product_link_placeholder. Stop scrolling right